Okay, so in today's assignment, what you've got is my assessment. I give you a creative challenge, a digital challenge, and I expect you to rise up to the occasion. I don't like tests, I don't like quizzes. I like you to prove that you know what you know. Multiple choice, it just makes you guess. I don't like long term, I don't like short term answers. I like practical application, and that's what this is. So the file that I've sent you today has got 6 design challenges on it. We've been over all of this at some point. The first one is this horse. It says at the top, cut out the horse from the background using the quick selection tool and a layer mask. Follow along with the tools that you need. Select that horse, create a layer mask. The next one over, in fact, all I should see there is the horse. I shouldn't see anything else when done. And the hooves, if they're a little rough, I know he's in the grass. That's fine. The next one over says create a hexagon with a blue fill, whatever blue you want, and a 10-point black stroke. This shows me that you can change the color of the stroke, the size of the stroke, and the color of the fill while creating a unique shape. This is all part from the shapes document that we created. You should be able to do this. Use your text tool to recreate what you see below and color it red for the word impact here. The name of that font is Impact. If you look up here, it's Impact. Everybody's got Impact. It's all capital letters. And I've shown you how to do this curve. I may not have shown you exactly how to, but I know I've shown you where to go to find this curve. So you're going to have to use your own little ingenuity to figure that one out. The next one, Kyle's wet brush. I want you to blend red and yellow together and then to add a scatter brush on top. To blend the two colors together, you'll have to use Kyle's wet brush. And this again is something we did during the brushes exercise. The hue and saturation color adjustment to change the color of the jersey to blue. So the blue jersey is the example. I want the red jersey to match this blue one using an adjustment layer correctly. If you notice that your horse starts changing color as you do this, you are doing it incorrectly. You need to link your layer. The last thing says type your name below and use layer styles to add a bevel effect and a drop shadow. Use downloaded fonts if you would like. You need to find those layer styles and you need to find those two specific effects. Now with those two specific effects you can do whatever you would like as long as those two at least are on there. Now check the layers. The worksheet layer is locked and needs to stay so. The only two layers you should have to touch are the jersey and the horse, nothing else. If you're messing with any of the layers, you might be making a mistake. As you're building, you will create 2 type layers around here too. That'll be all you need. And a shape layer, 5 layers total. So I want to see what you can do. Prove to me that you've been paying attention in class. Prove to me that you know what's going on in Photoshop. Show it to me. That's the goal. Each one of those tasks is 10 points of classwork. That is the equivalent of a whole day's worksheet. So look at some of the days you've missed and think about how nice it would be to make up those zeros. This is a good time. So focus on this, get it done as best you can, and for God's sakes, if you don't know the answer, Google. All right, good luck.